One more thing, everything what we are going to do doesn't require JTAGing or hacking or any other modifying of your Xbox 360. So no soldering, no hacking is needed and so on. So let's get into it. Primary, you will need a Fat Explorer application. Put into Google Fat Explorer and hit enter, and you should get something like this as a result. So go to this page, to the download section, and download the newest one version of the Fat Explorer you can find here. You can even use a beta version. So let's download it, open it, unpack it, and just run it.